In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a schedule on Asana. By the end, you'll have a clear, visual schedule you can manage and adjust in seconds. Start by opening Asana and creating a new project. Click the plus new button at the top left. Choose blank project and give it a name, like schedule, weekly plan, or content calendar. Next, pick your layout. List view gives you a classic linear schedule that's easy to scan. Board view lays things out in columns, which is great if you like seeing items grouped by day or phase. Don't stress too much about this choice. You can switch views later without losing your data. Now set up sections to create the structure of your schedule. Click Add Section and type a name. If you're building a weekly schedule, you might use Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and weekend. If this is for content production, try ideas, writing, filming, editing, ready to post, and published. Keep section names short and consistent so scanning and filtering stay simple. With the framework in place, start adding tasks inside each section. Each task represents one scheduled item. For example, client meeting, 10 a.m., upload reel, edit YouTube video, or email follow-ups. Make task names action-oriented and specific so you can tell at a glance what needs to happen. If you like, use the task description to add talking points, links, or quick checklists, but keep the title concise. Next, add due dates and times so everything is anchored to your calendar. Open a task, click due date, choose the date, and then click time to add the exact hour. This is especially helpful for meetings, uploads, or tightly timed work blocks. If times don't look right, double-check your workspace time zone settings. To see your plan visually, switch to Calendar View from the top row. This shows your schedule across a monthly or weekly calendar, making it easy to spot busy days or gaps. You can jump between weeks and months and use filters to narrow the view. If plans change, simply drag and drop a task to a new date directly on the calendar. Asana updates the due date automatically, so you stay organized without extra clicks. To add more clarity, open Customize and choose Add Custom Field. Fields like priority, status, category, content type, or estimated time help you sort and filter quickly, and they make collaboration smoother. Finally, for repeating work, open a task, set the due date, and choose Set to Repeat. You can select daily, weekly, or create a custom pattern for recurring schedules. That's it. Your Asana schedule is ready to go.